Hi! Welcome back to my channel. I've decided to start a new series for the parents because I'm also a mother of two young kids. My son is 6 years old and my daughter is 3 years old. Do you know that children have a full-time job? Yes, their job is to play. They learn to play and they play to learn. Therefore, it's very important to set up a play area to cater their need to play. Without further ado, I'd like to share with you the play area that I've set up for my kids. Let's go! This is the art gallery area with a collection of their art and craft, both from the school and from home. It gives them a sense of accomplishment and also serves as a memory lane to remind me to do more with them. I just use blue tack to stick it on the wall. Inside this room, there's another play area for them. Let's see how the kids play with this. This one you just need to tie a string on the aluminum can ring here, then you can just hang it. This is a magnetic dartboard, so the darts are not sharp and it's safe for the kids to play with. Well, that's all for today. If you like my video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do feel free to leave your comments below and share with me how your play area looks like. I would love to hear that. I'll see you again in next video. Bye!